guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. So listen, if you're new here, for starters, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like my Switch girl. So listen, I need 15 offers for $5. I did do some yesterday. Well, these last couple days. And so as of right now, I still need 6 more offers to hit that. I don't know if it's going to happen. I'm going to try. I'm going to try and we'll see. All right. Without trying to spend too much. Right. We don't have any new offers as far as Flavor Wiki. I've been checking it, like refreshing to see if we'll get anything. I thought we might get some today, but not yet. Hopefully we'll get some by the end of this week. With those surveys, I try to do them as early in the week as I can so that they can clear before the weekend, since they don't really process on the weekends. And one of you guys asked about how do you check the pages. I mean, it depends on how many offers that you have on there. Whether they be current offers or expired offers you've already done. Just change the page to see if there's any retakes that you can do. They do offer retakes from time to time that require you to buy the same product again, and then you get back the same amount. But as of right now, we have none. I have been paid for everything I've done so far up to date on Flavor Wiki. A few of you guys have been making comments as far as Shopkick being linked with the sister apps, being Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox Tada, Easy Bucks. But I've also heard, because you guys know I'm still not using Shopkick, but I've also heard that only some of their offers exclude the stacking with other rebate apps. But I personally don't know, because like I said, I don't have Shopkick anymore. So again, just read the verbiage as far as which offers do exclude stacking with the other apps. But I've heard that some people are still getting them and some people are not. So I don't know. I just wanted to mention that for you guys. Other than that, we're going to head into Walmart, which is right here. We're going to see what kind of awesomeness that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got to do, keep on watching. All right, so this first deal is on the Crisco. I did do a video earlier this week talking about this because I wasn't sure if it was going to last. I don't even know if it's still available. But this store, they don't carry the single count for this one, for the stick, which is priced a little cheaper. That is priced at, I want to say $3.38. So you're going to grab 2 of those. You'll pay $6.76, getting back 4 on Swagbucks for buying 2. And then $1.75 for each on checkout 51, making it a 74-cent moneymaker. Now that is a limit of 2 receipt submissions per, I think it's per, I don't know if it's per week or per month. I'll pop it up. On Swagbucks, so you can grab 4 on 1 receipt, making all 4 a money maker. Now, if your store doesn't carry the single count, you could always grab this one here, which is a 16 ounce. It's priced at $4.12. So grabbing 2 of them, you're going to pay $8.24. You'll get back 4 on Swagbucks, $1.75 times 2 on checkout 51. It makes it 74 cents. For 2 of them are only 37 cents each, which is still not a bad deal. And so I know y'all probably tired of seeing this deal, but look, I've been doing it on repeat. It's on the hair chart. I've been doing it on repeat. I'm sorry, y'all. Look, I've been doing them on repeat. And so grabbing 2 of them adds $2.97. You'll pay $5.94. You'll get back $1.50 on checkout 51. And then $3 on Swagbucks. It makes them 72 cents each. I've been using these if I'm close to cashing out on the apps and I need a little extra. I've been grabbing these. All right, so y'all. I know that this ocean spray is no longer available, but I did grab it again. It popped up. This is the 3rd time, and I have been loving the cran grape. I'm on the last box. Well, I have the box for this haul, and that's it. So you're grabbing 1 at $2.58. I'm getting that back on Ibotta, making that absolutely free in my area. They don't carry the stir anymore. And so if you do have it in your area, You'd grab it price at $328. You'll get that back on Ibotta, making it absolutely free. Now I was grabbing it at Vaughn's because they were $3. So you'd pay three, get back $4.49, making that $1.49 moneymaker. And that did reset. So I did it 2 days in a row. And so yeah. We have a hang tag. Fine. A Bolo. Is it Bolo? Be on the lookout. $2 off. And they expire at the end of this year. I'm gonna grab some. Let's do a Danielle. Not your turtles. Not your no. I need practice, Danielle. I need practice without ripping the barcode. But anyways, so be on the lookout because I'm pretty sure at some point these are gonna come in handy. As of right now, they're $5.82. Use that coupon, you'll pay $3.82, which is not bad for an 8-pack. So look, we do have an offer on Ibotta, but it's only on the zero sugar one. I bet this watermelon strawberry one is good. And so you can grab one at $5.82. Use this $2 coupon right here. I'm hoping that it would stack with Ibotta offer. You'll pay $3.82, and then you're gonna get back $1 on Ibotta, making that $2.82. For an 8-pack are only 35 cents per bottle. And so, yeah. I think last time we had an offer, the offer was $2, so it made it a much better deal. So yeah, if you can find the coupons, definitely snag them up. So this next deal is on the Dahlia shredded cheese. It's the non-dairy cheese. You can either grab the shredded or you can grab the slices. I grab the slices, I guess because it's more ounces and I want to see how it tastes with the grilled cheese. And so they're priced at $4.44. It's a freebie for Ibotta. Now, whenever we have a free offer for Ibotta, I always cross-check with Walmart Rewards and see if it's available there free as well, which this one is. So I went ahead and grabbed this on 2 separate transactions and got back $4.44 for Ibotta as well as Walmart Rewards, making them both absolutely free. All right, so this next deal here is on the Gutsy. This popped up on Ibotta again. I was surprised. It's priced at $5.98. Again, this is by the fresh fruit section of the produce section. They're so happy here. So we're gonna grab one at $5.98, getting that back. Well, getting back 6 on Ibotta. This one is also available for Walmart Rewards as well. So I grabbed 2 of them, separate transaction, making them both free. Plus this little clearance end cap. And I found these Mott's. It's on the Fruit Field ones. They're on clearance for $2. We have $1 back on Ibotta. There's also 50 cents back on Fetch Reward. Makes them 50 cents each, limit of 3 on Fetch. I think I'm going to go ahead and just grab 3 of them. They also have all of this brown sugar for 25 cents, which is not bad because, well, it's already hard. I don't know if that's a good thing. Isn't it supposed to be a little bit softer than that? It's not good bread. But it's 25 cents. And there goes that UPC if you want to check your area. And then the UPC for this one is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of these because I needed 2 more offers, but we're just gonna go ahead and just max out and grab 3. So here is a deal on bleach. If it's something that you need, I'm still pretty stocked on bleach. But it's priced at $5.72. We have an offer on Swagbucks, $4 back when you buy 2. So you'll pay $11.44, get back 4 on Swagbucks, makes them $3.72 each, which knocks off $2 per bottle, which is definitely not bad. I'm hoping that we get some offers on Checkout 51 on Sunday. So I'm not gonna do this deal anyway, but I'm gonna wait and see. Well, I guess I'd be waiting if I was doing it, but I'm not. So I'm hoping we'll get some offers on Checkout 51 on Sunday. So yeah. All right. So a few of y'all had hit me up as far as to let me know that the offer is on the sister apps for the coloring books again. Not as great as it has been in the past, but it is buy 2 get 2. And one of you guys let me know yesterday. I'll have to pop you up. Let me know that it is confirmed working. And so I'm gonna assume that it's the same coloring books we got last time. I believe it was the Ninja Turtle one. I believe it was the Food Pals one. I don't know if I got that one. It was the Paw Patrol one, I think the Bluey one, the Mickey Mouse one, Spider-Man. This store doesn't have a lot. And yeah, so I'm gonna grab 4 of them. I heard it does go into review, but it does clear. So I'm just gonna do one set. I'm actually really hoping that this offer goes up in value. And the My Little Pony one too. I know that one was one. And I believe the Bible one was one as well. And so I'm hoping that this offer does go up in value. And so we'll be grabbing 4 of them and they'll all be free. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal on the A&D. It's on the Treat and Heel Cream. It's priced at $5.74. Grabbing 1 of them, getting back $2.74 on Ibotta and 2 on Fetch Reward makes it $1. I still have 2 offers left on Fetch, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these. If you want to grab the overnight one, that one is priced at $6.78. That's a 50% back offer on Ibotta. $2 back on Fetch would make that, I want to say, $154. And so, yeah. Okay, and so just wanted to mention this deal again. I went over it in my last quick video. Now for this, the Advil are priced at $4.28. Now, the offer on Swagbucks, it doesn't list the minis, but if you scan it, it does work. So you could either get the minis 20 count or the regular 20 count. They again are priced at $4.28. You're also going to grab 2 of the Tums. They're priced at $6. All right. So the 6 products is going to come to $29.12. We'll get back $6 for buying 2 Tums on Swagbucks. We'll get back $6 for buying 2 Advil with a limit of 2, so we'll get back 12. So a total of 18 on Swagbucks. And then we'll be getting back a total of $4.80 on checkout 51, which is $1.20 for each of the Advil. And there is also a Haleon Huddle rebate, which is spend 25, get back 10. The limit on that is a limit of 2. I have gotten back one of my virtual visas already. And I just add that to my Walmart app and use it then. How do you guys use your virtual gift cards? I usually just add them to my Walmart app. And so basically it'll make all 6 products free plus a $3.68 money maker. Right. So last time I did this deal, I should have grabbed 2 of the bars to hit the $20 mark, but I didn't. Only grab 1. So I went ahead and grabbed 1 more, priced at $5.98. I did get back the $4 for hitting 20 on Fetch Reward, and then $3 back on Ibotta. So I made that $1.02 money maker, which is just a reminder, the daily hydration one, the white bottle, is on clearance for $7.50. Getting back $4 on Ibotta makes that $3.50. And so yeah, they also have the lotion one as well, but there's no offer on Ibotta for that. There's no rebate for that I know of. And so yeah, not a bad deal. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. Honestly, y'all, going into this haul, y'all, I was just like, I don't even know if I'm gonna make it work. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do, hit my bonus or whatever. I think I mentioned in the intro that I had 15 for 5. It's actually 15 for 3. But I did hit that. I was lucky to find the mods because I only needed 2 more offers, and I was like, okay, what can I get that's a low out of pocket? And preferably food, because you don't have to pay sales tax on it. And so I was happy that I found those, especially for 50 cents a box. Something I can throw in Josiah's lunch since he'll be going back to school next month. And so I didn't mention Cheerios and Go-Gurt was a deal I did at Food for Less. It was $1.49 with the digital. And so the cereal, bought 2, got back $1 on Ibotta. The Go-Gurts, I grabbed 2 and got back 50 cents for each on Ibotta. I made those $1 a piece. I figured it was a good deal because I got a moneymaker at Target, so I figured it would help pay for that. The deal that I did at Target, I had a 5 off of 40 coupon on my app. Now, originally I was going to grab 3 of the August pads because I had a buy one, get one free. 1 free offer on Social Nature, so I'd have bought 3 and 2 would have been free. So I was trying to put together deals with that, but then the 5 off of 40 wasn't attaching with, it wasn't stacking with that promotion. So I just grabbed the one that was free. I stacked that with aisle offers, social nature offers to get to 40. We saved at 5. I rolled the $5 gift card from the soft soap earlier this week, so that really helped lower the out of pocket. I'll pop up the transaction that I did, but it worked because I had the aisles and the social nature offers that were basically free after offer, and ended up being like a $10 moneymaker, which was cool. I did the Starry twice for this haul. That OTC is still working. I'll have a link in the description. The watermelon water I did as a part of that Target deal, $284, and I got back 2 for each on Ibotta. What else didn't I mention? I didn't mention the body armor water. That $1.48. That was at Walmart. I grabbed 2 of them. Got back $1 on checkout 51, $1 on Easy Bucks, makes them 48 cents each. Now you can get the cheaper ones. There's a smaller bottle, I think a 16-ounce flavored water. I didn't really care much for those, and I like to just get what I like. Like, I know it's a little cheaper, but I like water, and those are 1-liter bottles for 48 cents. I said, hey, why not? As you can see, I did the Hillshire 8 times because, as y'all know, that's my most recent favorite snack. Snack time, right? I did the coloring books. I just did 1 set of 4. I'm hoping the value for that will go up. It probably won't, but free is free. And so I'll most likely do that on the other apps next time I go to Walmart. That receipt I did submit on Swagbucks, and it went straight through, which was awesome. I may continue to get the Paw Patrols just because it goes straight through. I am still waiting for the gift card on the Haleon. Was it Haleon Huddle? I did get back the other one. Receipts have gone through already, which is cool. And I wanted to try the Ocean Spray White Cranberry Strawberry to see how it tastes. The grape one is really, really good. And so I'm excited to try that. Other than that, my receipts for this, I have a lot of receipts. And so, yeah, so let's kind of breeze through this. All right, so everything that you see here retails $196.04. We had 13.12 in coupons that brought the out of pocket down to $182.92. My sales tax is $5.85, which is low, and I love that for me because most of this is food. And who doesn't? I like food. You like food? I like food. I do. And so out of pocket was $182.92. Getting back a total of $49.36 from Ibotta, $33 from Inbox Dollars. Social Nature is $29.15. Checkout 51 was $25.80. Walmart Rewards was $10.44. The Haleon Huddle is $10. Fetch Reward was $9.50. Easy Bucks is $8. PayPal was $6.80. My point $6. Aisle was $5.49. And last but not least was Swagbucks at $4. I'm getting back a total of $197.54. Makes everything you see here free plus a $14.62 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. Now, really quick, with Walmart Rewards, I did get all my Walmart Rewards for the deals that I did, which was the Gutsy, and what else was it? Walmart Rewards. The cheese. I tried it, you guys. I love trying new things, but things like this kind of make me nervous because, you know, I should be eating dairy free. I should be, you know, because dairy doesn't really agree with me. Let me just say that. And so, but I was nervous about this, and I think the last time I got a cheese like this, I threw it away. And so I tried this with the grilled cheese this morning. That's why that one's open, and it's really good. Oh my gosh! I want to say it tastes creamier than the regular cheese that I normally get, which is like the Kroger brand, regular store brand. Really good. Super, super excited about that. Yeah, I got lots of food, so that makes me happy. And so other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. In the comments, I want to see a spider. I want to see a spider in the comments if you made it to the end. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.